Your body is made up of cells. Nearly all the cells in the body have a nucleus, which can be thought of as the control centre of the cell. The nucleus contains genes, which control everything about the cell. Damage to these genes is the underlying cause of cancer. This damage may be inherited, or it may be caused by external harm, such as cigarette smoke or other lifestyle factors. The cells in your body constantly multiply to make more cells, so that your organs and tissues can grow and repair themselves. The nucleus controls this process so that the right number of cells are produced to keep the body healthy. In cancer, the damaged genes mean that the cells multiply in an uncontrolled way, and often more quickly than normal cells. In many cases, the new cells form a lump called a tumour. This primary tumour is where cancer can start. A tumour can be cancerous, malignant, or non-cancerous, benign. Benign tumours do not infiltrate the surrounding tissues, nor do they spread to other parts of the body. Cancerous tumours invade the surrounding tissue and can also spread to other parts of the body. They do this by invading blood and lymph vessels. These provide a route for the cancer to spread to other parts of the body and form secondary cancers. This is called metastasis.